Digital Mortar's DM1 is a comprehensive people measurement and full journey analytics platform, perfect for almost any location. People measurement matters. It solves real-world problems, helping you manage and reduce lines, manage labor and facilities, optimize customer journey experience, and even dynamically assign employees to specific customers or tasks. People measurement starts with technology. Sensors collect fully anonymized people movement data. It's like a detailed radar image. That people movement data is mapped onto a digital representation of the store so it can be understood and optimized. DM1 is a comprehensive solution, taking you from sensors all the way to real-time and analytic tools. That real-time monitoring delivers rich, configurable reporting inside the platform, a full feed, a public view builder, and powerful customizable alerting. And all that data is collected and saved across thousands of visits, meaning you can study what worked, what didn't, and what to do better. Let's take a deeper look at each part of the pipeline. DM1 supports a range of people measurement technologies. Camera and LiDAR are the most common, and our unique systems can integrate the two seamlessly in a single deployment. LiDAR and camera provide the most detailed measurement, with LiDAR having the ability to cover outdoor spaces and very large locations. LiDAR really shines in those large spaces. Though each sensor is more expensive, it makes for much easier implementations in spaces larger than 15 to 20,000 square feet. Data quality is critical. We start with great sensors and then improve their output, removing mannequins, ghosts, and reflections, fixing blind spots, and using advanced ML to stitch broken tracks and identify associates, groups, and interactions. If data quality is the foundation, robust mapping is the framework that holds everything together and makes the underlying data really come to life. We build a complex digital representation of the space, all the way down to the square foot level, mapping every significant area from a customer and/or a business perspective. It's a fast, efficient way to create and edit digital maps. You can map any kind of space, from an airport to a retail store, a public square, a grocery, or an office space. And you aren't limited to one map. You can create multiple maps of the same space and get analytics across every map. Each map is independently updatable, so you can track changes to the space over time, seamlessly, across hundreds of different layouts. With the foundation and framework in place, let's take a look at the sizzle. The real-time feed lets you see exactly what's happening in the space right now, which makes managing lines a breeze. You can measure line lengths, stations open, wait times across any type of queue. You can also measure usage and crowding anywhere in the space, when an area is slammed, and whether you have associates in the right places. You can publish that data directly to digital signage with just a few point and clicks. You can build alerts based on line lengths, crowding, individual customer behavior, even the ratio of associates to customers in an area, and deliver those alerts in DM1 via email, SMS, or into a feed for app consumption. Because everything goes into the feed, letting you roll your own interface with all the underlying detection, cleaning, and counting done for you. But people measurement is much more than real-time. In retail, analytics starts with individual-level point-of-sale joins based on knowing who was at the register at the exact time of checkout. That lets you measure the success of individual journeys and even specific displays. Load up a day's worth of data and play it back. Turn all those visits into heat maps and track 55+ metrics at the square foot level. Compare performance across locations and track full journeys to see the entire customer experience. The range of metrics tracked is enormous and includes both customers and employees across any defined space, with the ability to segment on specific behaviors or groups and study complete journeys. All this comes in a mature, fully configurable enterprise solution with easy integration from and to your existing data ecosystem, a choice from an array of sensor types and brands, and the ability to deploy in Azure Cloud or on-premise, as you wish. DM1 provides extraordinary technology flexibility, analytics and reporting that will revolutionize the way you do business, and the enterprise integrations you need to deliver successful deployments. To find out more, drop us a line at sales@digitalmortar.com.